They say this battery is dead, but they're wrong. It can't light an LED until we plug in this tiny joule thief. Boom! Instant brightness from just 0.8 volts. One transistor, one coil, one resistor, one capacitor, and your dead batteries are alive again. Dead battery killer. Try it now and hit subscribe for more crazy circuits. Here's a fun little test. How long can this small fan run on just one supercapacitor? As it charges up, watch the motor slowly pick up speed. That's the voltage rising. Now I'm disconnecting the power, and the fan keeps spinning, running only on stored energy. You can see it gradually slowing down. That's the capacitor discharging right before your eyes. Simple, visual, and cool. Pure physics in motion. Set your multimeter to resistance mode. Start from the lowest range. Touch the probes together. It should show close to 0. A photoresistor has no polarity, so it doesn't matter which probe you use. When light hits it, the resistance is minimal. When you cover it, the resistance rises to the maximum value. Simple and clear. That's how a photoresistor works. If the readings stay the same, the photoresistor is likely damaged. Set your multimeter to diode test mode. Touch the probes together. It should read close to 0. Now, touch the red probe to the anode and the black to the cathode. You should see around 600 millivolts. Reverse the probes. It should show 1 or nothing. That means the diode is good. If it reads 0 or the same in both directions, the diode is shorted. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and tap the bell.